induction cooker from AliExpress. Let's check it out. First look, premium, and on the back, double fans and 3,500 watts. Compatible converter included in the box. If you live in a different country like UK, you will get a proper converter. So this one is 280, this one is 200 Celsius. Oh, I don't think I can switch if I already started. This one is 3,000, 270 degrees. And this one is 3.5. This one is 3.5, the most powerful. Timer, maximum half an hour. What we have here is cold water. Cold. Oh, freezing water. Maximum power. Is the device loud? Not really. Do remember that's an open container. Cool. Real power consumption is 3,000. Is the device hot? Oh, no, it is not. It's cold. So what did we learn? And we learned that it's super light, not too big, fairly quiet, super powerful, and easy to use. Link in the description. Astonishing price. That's what I got. See you next video.